I thought while I was at it, I would give you an overview of the cPanel on HostGator since I was talking about WordPress and some of the management in the previous video. But all I do is I've got a shortcut already set up here. So when I click on the shortcut, it takes me right to my cPanel password and protector. Now it puts me right into the cPanel. And the control panel is basically where everything takes place behind the scenes. And keep in mind, I'm not a programmer, and I'm not a advanced website builder by any stretch of the imagination. But I am a power user for computers, so I understand there are some things I don't want to touch and some things that I have to. So I just want to give you an overview of the control panel here. You can call HostGator at any time. Their tech support is great, and they'll walk you through just about anything in this control panel that you don't understand. But this is where I can manage all of my email accounts, my webmail, my spam can be managed through here if you're not using an external spam or one that's tied to your Outlook. All of my file manager setup is done through here. I can establish and set up all of my backups for all my websites in here. Down here you can see all of my add-on domains, subdomains, and currently in this account, as you can see, I've got about 25 domains and 28 subdomains. Now, my primary money site is not sitting on this cPanel, it's sitting on a separate account for strategic purposes, but you get the understanding of it. And on my other account, or my money account, you'll be able to see, because I moved this and set it up last month, it shows 0 visits here, and the previous month it shows 4,300 visits. But if we were on that other account, you'd be able to see that information. You'll also see Fantastico is here. This is what would allow me to build more WordPress sites from here if I wanted to be able to do that. And down here you can see there's some search engine optimization tools that HostGator gives you through the cPanel, and I don't really fully understand these, or I haven't really dug into these because I use mostly Google's tools and other tools that I've utilized in the past. But my main point is this is a very comprehensive tool. It's a very, I guess you'd say, intuitive tool to be able to use to navigate through and utilize to host all my websites, do the backups, manage all the databases, and to be able to do anything that I need to do on my WordPress site. Now, keep in mind this is all PHP with all those applicable databases and what have you, like MySQL on the back end, as opposed to an MS SQL system, which would be on a Windows-based server. So it's a Linux-based server, and that's fine for websites and database sites and so on and so forth, but you might want a Windows-based server if you're hosting other applications. Anyway, that's kind of the overview for today, and if you got questions, you can just ping me and I'll be glad to help you out, or call HostGator and they'll walk you through the whole thing in more detail. Thanks very much.